Hi, welcome. Today we are going to study the points heat of fusion and heat of vaporization. Let us start with heat of fusion. It is defined as the heat change or enthalpy change when 1 mole of a solid substance is converted into the liquid state at its melting point. Now look at me. Suppose if we have 1 mole of a solid substance, when we heat that substance, it get melted into the liquid state at its melting point. Now during that process, what is the heat change is there, or we may say what is the change in enthalpy is there, that change is called as heat of fusion. That change is called as heat of fusion. Suppose for example, see conversion of ice into water, that is H2O solid into H2O liquid. In this case, delta H is equal to plus 1.43 kilocalorie. Here plus sign is there because heat is absorbed during the process of conversion of ice into water. And what amount of heat is absorbed? It is 1.43 kilocalorie. So heat of fusion of conversion of ice into water is plus 1.43 kilocalorie. Now from the values of fusion of various substances, we can compare their magnitude of intermolecular forces. Now see, substances have intermolecular forces. Now if the magnitude of intermolecular forces is higher, then the heat of fusion will be greater. I repeat, when the magnitude of intermolecular forces is higher, then the heat of fusion is also greater. That is, greater the heat of fusion of a substance, higher the magnitude of intermolecular forces. Therefore, from the values of fusion of various substances, we can compare their magnitude of intermolecular forces. So this is about the heat of fusion. Now heat of vaporization. Now again, it is a simple definition. It is defined as the heat change or enthalpy change when 1 mole of liquid is converted into vapor or gaseous state at its boiling point. Again, suppose if we have 1 mole of a liquid, when we heat it, after heating, it will get converted into the vapor state or gaseous state at its boiling point. Now whatever heat change involved during that process is called as heat of vaporization. Suppose for example, conversion of water into its steam, that is H2O liquid into H2O gaseous. Here delta H value is plus 9.71 kilocalorie. Again plus sign is here because during the conversion of water into its steam, there is a absorption of heat. Plus sign is there because absorption of heat is there. So delta H value for this process is plus 9.71 kilocalorie. Similarly, the heats of vaporization of ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, is 7.29 kilocalorie per mole, while for that of benzene it is 7.36 kilocalorie per mole. And the values of heat of vaporization can also be used for the comparison of the magnitude of intermolecular forces of attraction in liquid. Okay, so in case of liquids, there is also the intermolecular forces are there. If the intermolecular forces are higher, then again greater is the value of heat of vaporization. So this is about the 2 points, heat of fusion and heat of vaporization. Thank you.